Hi everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. I've got March's Nerd Hunters box. Now for some reason I have one, two. So I'm not sure why, so hopefully that'll come apparent once we start opening it. So we'll go for the bigger one. Go for the bigger one first. Alright, okay. It's just that there's that much stuff it wouldn't fit in one by the looks of it. So, let's figure out which one we get. This is the nerd pack, the regular nerd pack, and the top pick is Good Guys. So let's see what we've got. We've got a Spider-Man backpack, which is the entire contents of one box, which is what I've got too. That's pretty decent weight, that as well. That's a really nice backpack. And that's not one of your crappy lightweight things. That's a really heavy duty. It's really nice. And you've got all the marble on the straps and everything. That's really cool. Okay, so we'll get open second box. Careful with the peanuts. Little pink love heart peanuts. Okay, so we've got some Witcher socks, which feel really nice and thick. It smells nice as well. Ooh. We've got another pair of nerd glasses. I've got two of these now. I'm going to put them in as free gifts for the next two orders. We've got a tubs. We always get a tubs. I'm not sure how I feel about these, but this one's rocky, so it's going to be cool. That's nice. And then finally, I think something smells really nice in there. I don't know if it's the packing peanuts. Yeah, they smell really nice. Trying not to spill them all over the place. Okay. A really cool Captain America blanket. And again, that feels pretty decent. It's all fleecy on the inside. That's nice. Nice and soft. And I think that's everything. Oh no, one more thing, I think. We've got a Spider-Man comic. But then I do think that is everything. Yep, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk.